Today I have some power cut, power shutdown. So that's the problem. I'm getting a power cut off. So I'm not able to connect properly. I am audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, you continue. Yeah. Yeah, continue with your small talk. Muhammad
Yes, ma'am.
Amjad.
I was saying that, yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. You share with us 5 points: work, life, travel, food, weather. These are basically connected to each other, ma'am. Without work, without life, without travel, without food, without weather, we can't live in Earth. Food is necessary. To gain food, we need to work. We need to work means then we need to travel from here to there.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if we need to work and travel, then weather should be nice, ma'am. Like summer, or if it is winter, like we can't travel like because of raining. If we have healthy healthy means we can easily work with life. We can manage easily. Right, means, ma'am.
Okay. And who else with the small talk activity? You want to share your? Yes, you. Muhammad Majid, you are ready with this situation?
No, no, no.
Yeah. Well, yes, you can start. Yes, you can start.
Ma'am, I want to speak about learning a language.
Okay.
Ma'am, learning a language is necessary, ma'am. If I am from Karnataka, basically, but I'm staying in Hyderabad in my grandma home. But here people talk in Telugu, but I don't know proper of Telugu. But it creates language barrier. If I learn
Yeah.
the language, then I can properly communicate with people. So if in emergency I travel anywhere such like Tamil Nadu, then I must know the language of there, Tamil. If I speak in Tamil, they will understand me and they will understand my situation. At least they will help me. If it is possible, then they can help me to reach my destination, something like that.
Mhm. Yeah. Good to know. Yes. And who left? Mr. Wahab. Small talk
Yes,
activity. Yes. Please come up with the views on different topics. Just share your views. Please, who left? Siddiq Ali, Mr. Siddiq Ali. Shall I continue with the class? Shall we continue with the activity? Just here we are here to speak out so that we can share the views on these different topics. Hesitation will overcome by this.
Yeah, ma'am.
Speaking hesitation. Can I hear from S. Kumar, Mr. S. Kumar? Please. Each and everyone should involve, please.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. Walaikum salam.
This is Mukhtar again. I just want to tell you one. I want to say something. This is regarding the foreigner visiting our company. When in this situation, if our boss is busy, then we should first of all we should welcome him, warm welcome, and secondary we should introduce ourselves and our boss regarding our boss positive points and the company policies, all these things, good things.
Yeah.
And whatever we have in the, like our projects descriptions and our culture, all these things we should explain. After this, we can give him a small how can I say about our routine complete. We should show him about our how big is our company as per area, not any area, as per capital and all these things, financial issues and all this.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, good to know, sir. You have shared a very good points, mashallah. So for the freshers, you can conclude the experience, sir. Mr. Abdul Mukhtar, he has given a few points from his experience what to do in this situation. Okay. Can I have from my experience, personality, some more points, some more views? Can I expect from Mr. Sheikh Abdul Rahim? Just share your views, Mr. Sheikh Abdul Rahim. Your views in this situation. Mr. Muhammad Majid, please share your views regarding this.
Yes, ma'am. My last holiday is in Delhi. I visited some industry areas. So in that area, I got an interview in BEL, Bharat Electronics Company. So I gave an interview there. I returned an exam, but unfortunately unqualified because of 60 seats and lots of students are there. Maybe 1,000 students came there, but unfortunately 12 students are selected for that post, electronic engineer post. So, but I tried, and after that I came back to Hyderabad. So I get some idea. I get some learn from that from that city. So before we going to new city, we have to know about the city areas. Then we go to another options to get a new interviews.
Yeah. Good. So you have experienced this that before going to a new place, we have to plan for it before going there.
More interviews,
so
yes.
that we will not be in trouble. Okay,
yeah.
Good. So you got a good experience, mashallah.
Yeah.
So just good points you have shared with us. So can I expect more from your side? Can I expect from Mr. Syed Tahir about the situation, how you will handle the situation when for how you will handle that guest? Any one of please. Yes, Mr. Syed Tahir, you can share your views.
Regarding the foreigner, when it visits our place in office, are you audible to me? Is I'm audible
Yeah,
to you?
just yeah, you are audible, but it's just keep your mic in front of your mouth so that it's coming from far place that your voice.
Is it clear?
No, not yet. Yeah, continue, sir.
1 minute. I'm just checking. Is it clear right now?
No, it's looking like you are. It's far from you that mic.
Now, is it clear?
Yeah, somewhat.
So, whenever somebody or the visitor visit to your office, then we need to be give our politeness or warm welcome to the user, to the visitor. If we are the employee of the company, we need to just produce the very warm welcome, as well as the very positive way how the company is running and what the managers required from the employee, how the employer and how the employees are working happy with the employer. Even though if he is not able to contact with the visitor, we need to produce that. Even though he is not there, we are here to serve you as like the manager or as your employer. We can will help them or will feel comfortable to the visitor that feel free to contact us, anybody in the office, and feel free to view their presentations and their views in the front of everybody. Later on, he gives that particular feedback how they have managed in the visitors who visited to the place, how they have
Very good views you have. Nice things you have shared with us. Good. And can I expect from S. Kumar, Mr. Sheikh Hussain? Are you there, both of you? Mr. S. Kumar and Mr. Sheikh Hussain.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you share me? Can you share third page of PPT, small activity? Then.
Yeah, actually, just make me host because I'm not host. So I will inform. Okay. I want to share this PPT itself.
I want to tell about the internet, ma'am.
Sir, I am audible. Just make me host. Okay, Jazakallah. Thank you. Yeah. So once again, I will play this PPT. Okay. So here I have a different activities for you to improve in English communication. How to communicate the English language with different activities. Okay. I have this with you. Just wait. Okay. So small talk activity. Small talk activity, you have to write few sentences on this particular topics. Any topic you can choose: work, life, travel, food, weather. And some more topics I have with you, like small talk activity in this internet, or very demanded keeping healthy. it's a very demanding topic nowadays due to this pandemic situation. Okay. And weekend plans, your last holiday, learning a language. Just now one of you have shared the how important is learning a language. Once you learn a language and go for another language, like this you can learn, a human being can learn more than 10 languages also. Not as a student, as you grow, want to know more languages, it's good. And hobby you would like to take up, just you want to change. Suppose you have a hobby and you would like to take a new hobby also. What are the new hobbies you want to take up? That also you can. This is the very good topic. Next is the office situation. 3 situations are there in 3 different colors. So how you will do in this situation, how you will talk with a small talk time. This is the situation. Okay, in blue color, this is the situation is there. Just I'll share the situation. A visitor in your company, you have been asked to pick her at the reception and take him to your boss. The visitor is a new business partner and comes from Germany. Your boss is busy having finished conference calls, so you have to wait in your office till he will be available again. This is the situation. He is from Germany. Okay, you have to engage your new business partner. He is a new business partner. In the previous situation, that is a new business. He is American. That is, he is the Germany or from some other place. Okay, and another situation is a visitor you have to ask to pick at the reception and take to your boss. You know the visitor well. Now he is not a, you know very well. Okay, and he comes from Germany. You go directly to your boss office and have a small talk time. This is the second situation. So any one of you, can you say some points, some small talk on this situation, that he is not new, you already know very well, and you are taking him directly to the boss office and have a small talk. How you will talk in present?
Yeah. Hello, I want to say
of boss. Yeah.
Yeah, second scenario I will say, like the person came to visit our office. He's standing near reception.
Okay.
I will go and greet him, like hi, how are you, good afternoon, like that.
Yeah.
And I will tell him that my boss is busy, just he will be free in 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go and sit in the conference room, like that I will say, and I will take him. And I'll ask about his journey, whether when he came, what difficulty he faced while coming here to office. I'll offer some food, and I will say about the upcoming projects, what we have. And at the last, I'll offer some food, some drink, like water, juice, like that. And meanwhile, that's it.
And one more thing, in this situation, it is specified that the country,
Yes.
that business partner, he has come from America or Germany. So would you
Yeah.
like to add some related to this, at some point? How you
Like
will correlate this?
I will ask about what are the special things in Germany, how there is the culture, how the people work there. Like
This
that
is the general thing, and how you will relate with your business. He's the business partner. How you will relate, business point of view with the country, like that.
No idea about that.
Like how different they have their business point of view. Means in Germany, the other country, they have the different policies. Here is different policy, that and that thing also, currency also different. How you will they like manage, Like we have here BPOs in India, they are paying less, and they who are working there in America, they are paying more. Like different scenario for working
Yes.
there, that
Like
place, and here in
time
India.
will be
So
different. Like time will be different there. Like when they will finish
yeah,
the time, then we can start here. We can say like that.
yeah,
We can
branch
we
of
can
that.
take their hand off and we can continue. And after our
Yeah.
time finish, they can continue the work.
Okay. Okay. And okay, nice views you have with this. Here, it is given in the scenario, different scenarios here. In one scenario, it is Germany, it is Poland, and America. So one more is like suppose you are saying you are meeting your business partner in presence of your boss. We have the two scenarios, okay? In absence of your boss, in the presence of your boss. So just say me the two situation. One person in presence of boss, in like absence of a boss. Two situations. How you will greet you have a talk with your business partner. Any one of you? Mr. Gauss, he has not joined. I have seen him starting. Who is ready? Mr. Fahad Ali,
Yes,
are
ma'am.
you ready with, yeah.
In the absence of my boss, I will greet the new business partner and I'll take him to the office. I'll introduce him to our office, and then I will I'll show him the progress which company has gained for the in the meantime from the beginning of the time till date, whatever we have reached and how much progress the company has done, and the positive side of our company. And also I'll try to make a good connection with him because it will help me to grow in my career level. And also I'll have like a normal conversation as introducing him to our city and about the culture and the city normal as usual. And in presence of my boss, I'll greet him, and then I'll just listen to the conversation first, whatever whatever they're having a conversation between my boss and the new boss. And if my boss allows me to speak something, and if he asks me to speak
Good
something, then
point.
I'll just give the positive side of the business and just
This
try
is
to
the
show
good
him
point.
how
Yeah.
progressive company is and how profitable it will be for him to join us as a new business partner.
So this is the etiquette of meeting three persons. So you are first giving a chance because boss will will share the things. Once you'll get the permission, then you can talk with the business partner. Okay, this is the etiquette. So most important thing is the etiquettes of receiving guests and presenting the guest to the boss and to the like that. So first thing is, for anything we should have a etiquette. Okay, good. And can I expect some more things on this situation? Views, please come up with your views. Mr. Abdullah, Mr. Sheikh Abdul Rahim, Mr. Riaz Ahmed, can you share your views?
Yes, I will show.
Yeah.
The scenario is like we have a boss and the person came to meet him. I'm the mediator. I have to take the person and I have to go. I have to take to the boss. Like I'm introducing the visitor to my boss. Like he is so and so person. He came to visit our office. He has some projects to give us. Like I'm introducing. Then again I'll come to the boss part. Then I will say he is my boss. He is the CEO of this company, and he is expert in marketing. Like I have to express him more, ma'am, because he's a boss.
Yeah. Yeah.
And regarding our company policies, I will tell to the visitor.
Yeah. Your points also good. Like we can mingle 2 points, like his or and yours, and who else? Who else want to speak out? You want to share? Mr. S. Kumar, you want to share your views?